Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole, and in today's video I am going to show you all how to take Instagram photos, or how I pose for my Instagram photos, and just everything, the entire process. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. I've seen a few people do this and they kind of did more of the sit down video style, but I think I'm going to do it in more of a vlog style. I think that would be easier and just a little bit more fun to watch. I don't know. But yes, so I'm just going to take you all through the step-by-step process of getting ready to take photos. So I've already prepped my hair. It's in a low bun right now, just because I will take the bun out when I'm getting ready to take the photos. So before I even get dressed, pick out an outfit, do my hair, do my makeup, I like to pick out an inspiration photo, or pick out a few inspiration photos and then go with the best option. And typically I do this by going either on Pinterest or Instagram, and I just pick out, you know, a few photos that I would like to either redo myself or just pull some inspiration from those photos. I also have a plan app for my Instagram content, so I screenshot the photos that I would like to take inspiration from and go ahead and put them in the order that I would like to post them. So it's a little bit more organized in my head as to which photos I will be taking today or this week or this weekend. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and do my makeup. So I just did my makeup. I just did something super basic, super easy, because I am kind of indecisive when it comes to locations, and this is another reason I like to have inspiration photos before I do my makeup and do my hair and pick out my outfit, just because your inspiration photo will kind of give you an idea of your location, and you have to pick out an outfit that matches that location. So I did kind of just a basic look that I can kind of that kind of matches with just about every location. And yeah, so I also just put on these my iconic basic gold hoops, just because they really go with just about anything. They kind of dress up just about any outfit. So yeah, and right now I am picking out my outfit, and I'm thinking I'm going to wear this bodysuit. I haven't worn this yet. It's actually this way. I haven't worn this yet, so I'm thinking I'm going to wear this. It kind of sits really low in the back, and I think that would be cute. And with it, maybe I'll just put on these mom jeans that I wear just about every single day with literally everything. These jeans are, honestly, I got my money's worth in these jeans. They were not cheap, but I definitely got my money's worth with these jeans, because I wear them all the time and just about with everything. So yes, I think I will pair these two, and I'm thinking I'm going to do just a basic wall photo. But if not, I kind of have an idea for a photo that I want to do with my car on a garage. So okay, so I am dressed and ready. There's a mess from me getting dressed and ready, but yes, here is my outfit. I'm just wearing, again, this bodysuit that goes pretty low in the back, and these mom jeans that are super baggy, and I honestly cannot wait for just the posing. I feel like the posing with something so baggy and so tight on top will be really cute. But yeah, oh, also don't worry about the shoes. You won't be able to see the shoes, so that made it easy. I didn't have to worry about what shoes to pair this with or wear this with. And yes, my hair will probably be down for these photos, and you will see that whenever we start taking them as well. But yes, it's a super cloudy day, so I will definitely have to edit these. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So here is the very first photo shoot location. I know what you're thinking, it kind of looks messy, but I think it would be super cute with the outfit that I'm wearing right now. And I am going to be using this ring light, this basic ring light. Of course, I won't be plugging it up. There's nowhere to plug it in anyway. But yes, I'll be using this ring light, and now I'm just going to show you all my process. So here I'm just adjusting the tripod. I typically like to have the tripod much lower than me, like right around my waist height. It gives you more of a lengthy or taller look when you do this, and also some type of angle is always better than looking straight on. I also adjust the actual phone for more of an angle, and I use the phone timer for my photos. This gives the shutter effect so I can get more of a candid or moving shot as well, and I just keep doing this until I get the angle and exact photo I'm looking for. Actually, you guys, I like this wall so much better, so I think I'm gonna try to take some photos right there now. So I recorded this one time and I guess it deleted because my storage was full. I don't know, but I'm gonna record it again. So I'm home now, and now I'll just show you all how I edit my photos. And like I mentioned before in the video that got deleted, I use Photoshop to edit my photos. I always use Photoshop to edit my photos unless I'm editing on just the iPhone with like the iPhone filters. Other than that, I use Photoshop. So I will show you how I do that. I airdrop myself all of the photos, and I'll just show you all how I edit both of those photos. So this is my favorite photo, I think, out of the entire bunch in front of the white wall. So I've really started to like the golden hour look on my photos. Here are some of the recent photos I posted to Instagram, and I just really love the golden hour effect and look that I put on my photos. And as you saw today, it was super cloudy and it was thunderstorming today and raining, so there definitely was not a golden hour. But with Photoshop, you have the ability to edit one onto your photos. I like to play around with the lighting on the photo before I throw the filter on there, just so I can see which filter I actually need. So first things first, I like to click on light and brighten it anywhere I need. Because this photo is white in the background, I know that I probably won't bother the exposure, because the last thing you want is a washed out, overexposed background. So we're not going to bother that, but contrast, I'm going to pull up a little bit. Highlights, I'm going to pull up a little bit. And yeah, I'm just going to play around with these filters to try to get the look that I really like for this photo. As you can see, I'm using vibrance and saturation just because I really wanted to give my skin tone some color. The first photo was definitely a little bit more gray, so here's the before and after of that. Now that I'm done with that, I can click on looks and figure out which filter looks best with my photo. I really like Charm 4, so I'm just going to put that on there and adjust it to my liking, and then I can just click on my looks and add it, and that makes everything so much easier. And I can just export the photo, and then I can click on the other photo of me in front of the brick wall, and I really like this photo. So I'm going to click on this, and this time it's so much easier because you already saved the filter, so you can just click on my looks and adjust it to your liking. And once again, I really like adding color to my skin tone because before the photo was definitely a bit more gray. So yeah, this is the final product. Thank you all again so much for watching this video. I really hope you got something from it, or I really hope at least one of the tips helps you out. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys.